Holographic Meridian Scrapping for Beautifying the Face. Lustrous and bright face is the hot pursuit of women since ancient times. Among the great diversity of cosmetic methods, holographic meridian scrapping for beautifying the face and body has its peculiar characteristics. Sometimes unexpected therapeutic effects on facial disorder can be obtained. Over a long period of time, people use various kinds of cosmetics and drugs for the sake of facial beauty. However, most of these methods are locally applied for cleaning the facial skin. In fact, clean skin is originated from clean internal environment. The effects of cosmetic scrapping are obtained by scrapping facial meridian points and holographic point areas to dredge the qi and blood, improve the microcirculation, get rid of toxins and other metabolites in the deep layer of skin, dredge the cell nutrient supplying passages so as to beautifying the face. There are totally 9 meridians traveling through the face, which also constitute a miniature of the whole body and have the holographic point areas of viscera. Scrapping the face can improve the microcirculation of muscles and skin, promote metabolism, strengthen the secretion function, and cleaning process of the surface of skin. In the process of scrapping, according to the relationships of meridian, viscera, superficial, and interior of yin and yang, the pathological locations can be defined. Then, based on these locations, scrap the corresponding meridian points and the holographic point areas on the body and limbs. After treatment, the facial skin will be plump with good elasticity and moisture and delay the aging. It is also beneficial to the health of the whole body. Scrapping tools. This is a cosmetic scrapping plate. The shorter arc edge is suitable for scrapping the forehead region. The longer arc edge is suitable for scrapping the chin region. The concave edge between the 2 corners is suitable for scrapping the lower jaw region. The corners can be used in kneading of facial meridian points and holographic point areas. The straight longer edge is suitable for scrapping the flat region of the body. This is cosmetic scrapping grease. It has the effects on moisturizing and protecting the skin, preventing inflammation, and promoting blood circulation and remove blood stasis. Scrapping methods. At the beginning of each facial scrapping, reinforcement manipulation is suitable. For sensitive skin or daily face care without skin disorders, reinforcement manipulation should be used in the whole process. The even reinforcement and even reduction manipulation method is suitable for the treatment of dry skin and skin with various pigmented spots. In plump muscles, areas with pigmented spots and pain spots usually apply the even reinforcement and even reduction manipulation method. By using the edge of scrapping plate, scrap the face from inside toward outside along the muscle or bone formations in one direction. The pressure of scrapping should be even and steady, slow and gentle, until the appearance of mild feverish feeling or reddish of skin. Indications. Beautifying the face, abating the black circle surrounding the eye and socket of eye, decreasing the wrinkles, moisturizing the skin, and anti-aging. Treatment of cutaneous disorders affecting the beauty of face. Points for attention. Before cosmetic scrapping, scrapping grease should be evenly applied on the skin or face. During the facial scrapping, the pressure should be gradually increased with slow and gentle manipulation. Facial scrapping should not be applied in the treatment of acne. After the facial scrapping, it is advisable to stay half an hour before taking outdoor activities, and comply with other common attention points of scrapping therapy. Beautifying the face. Scrapping the facial skin, stipulating the meridian points and holographic point areas can dredge the facial meridian, promote the blood circulation, and remove blood stasis, improve the metabolism of skin cells, and enhance the secretion function of endocrine. Thus, the skin and muscle can obtain enough oxygen and the complement of various nutrients. It can also activate the cells, clean the skin, enhance the regeneration ability, delay the aging, moisturizing the skin, and decrease the wrinkles. After washing the face with clean water, smear evenly the facial scrapping grease on the face. The first treatment, reinforcement manipulation, is applied. Each area scrap 5 times. Forehead region, scrap with a shorter arc of jade scrapping plate from middle toward both sides. Need Taiyang point. Surrounding of the eyes, scrap from Qingming along the upper edge of orbit toward Tongzi Liao. Again, scrap from Jingming along the lower edge of the orbit toward Tongzi Liao. Need the Tongzi Liao and Taiyang points. Qin region. Need Yingxiang. Scrap from Yingxiang on the large intestine meridian toward the anterior area of each ear. Need Xiaguan point. Mouth and lips. Need Renzhong. Scrap from Renzhong of Du Mai to Dicang of stomach meridian on both sides. Need Dicang. Need Chengjiang. Scrap from Chengjiang toward Dicang and Jiache on both sides. Need Dicang point. Scrap with the concave edge of the scrapping plate from Daying obliquely ascending to Jiache and the area below each ear. Need Jiache point. Scrap with a straight edge of scrapping plate from middle of the forehead downward to the tip of nose. Using the concave edge of scrapping plate, scrap both sides of nose. The manipulation pressure should be properly decreased in the area between the eyebrow and the bridge of nose until there is a slightly reddish. Avoid the appearance of any miliary cutaneous bleeding. The second treatment, scrap using the even reinforcement and even reduction manipulation. The scrapping sequence is the same as above in the first treatment, but with heavier pressure reaching the deep tissues. During the scrapping process, try to find out positive reactions. There is a smaller nodule near her eyebrow on the forehead with mild pain sense. Another nodule is noted in the inner area of her right lower eyelid. These nodules appear in the holographic point area of stomach meridian, large and small intestinal meridian, suggesting that the function of the gastrointestinal system is mild attenuated. The location and degree of positive reactions reflect the location and degree of diseases. There is a small nodule in the outer area of the lips along the large intestinal meridian and also a small nodule in the lower jaw area of the stomach meridian. The third treatment, emphatically scrap and knead the positive reaction areas. Scrap the right side of forehead. There are rough feelings and slight reddish of skin under the scrapping plate. Scrap slowly the nodule in the area of right eyebrow. Scrap and knead simultaneously. The small nodules become smaller and even disappear, showing the meridian passage gets through. There are a few small nodules in the inner area of the lower eyelid, which must be stressed, scrapped, and kneaded. Scrap and knead the outer area of the upper lip along the large intestinal meridian. Scrap the nodule areas on both sides of the lower jaw, which have slight pain sensation. The feeling is more significant on the left side, so it should be emphatically scrapped. Knead the points 太阳、印唱、影像、称气、死白、劝料、打赢、驾彻、小肠、大肠、肾 and 膀胱. The fourth treatment. Using the flat surface of jade plate, evenly and slowly massage the whole face and the lower jaw in order. Relaxing and exercising the muscles, stretch the meridian passage. Scrap the air area with jade plate. Scrap the holographic point areas of the viscera on head with buffalo horn plate or jade plate. Using buffalo horn scrapping comb, scrap from the anterior area to the posterior area. Stretch the meridians on the head. First, scrap Du Mai on the back from Da Zhui to Ming Men. After smear scrapping grease, scrap segmentally from upper to lower. Using the two corners of scrapping plate, scrap the points on both sides of the vertebrae. It has the effect of regulating the endocrine function. Scrapping can be done until the appearance of reddish of skin and opening of sweat pores. Using half of the longer edge of the scrapping plate, scrap each side of the bladder meridian at the same level. Emphatically scrap the Pi Shu and Wei Shu on the bladder meridian, where small nodules and pain points are found. These further confirm the accuracy of face diagnosis. Scrap the bladder meridian on the other side. Finally, clean up the scrapping grease and knead simultaneously to close the sweat pores. Acne. Acne is usually seen in young persons. Scrapping should not be applied to acne on face. First, scrap the region 1 and region 2 on the lateral side of forehead. Scrap Du Mai on the back from Da Zhui to Ming Men segmentally. Carefully find out the pain points and nodules in the Ming Men area. Using the two corners of the plate, scrap the point area along both sides of the vertebra. This is the corresponding area of the vertebra and the viscera. Scrapping this area can regulate the viscera and improve the endocrine. The key regions are the corresponding vertebral areas of heart and lung. Scrap Fei Shu, Gan Shu, and Pi Shu of bladder meridian from Da Chang Shu to Xiao Chang Shu. After scrapping, cupping the Da Zhui can accelerate clearing away heat and toxic materials, get rid of the pulses, and stretch the meridians on the back. Remove the cup 10 minutes later. Scrap Qu Chi on the forearms. Scrap and knead He Gu. Scrap Zu San Li on the legs. Cloasma. According to traditional Chinese medicine, cloasma is related to liver, spleen, and kidney. It can be divided into 3 types. Depression of liver and stagnation of qi, deficiency of spleen, and deficiency of kidney. In the treatment of cloasma, first, scrap the face as the above manipulation and procedure of beautifying the face. Smear the scrapping grease. In the first treatment, use reinforcement manipulation, relax the muscles of face, scrap the forehead, meridian points surrounding the eyes, lower eyelids and chins. The chloasma on the right side is more obvious, suggesting the qi and blood of the right meridian is stagnated. Scrap the surrounding region of mouth and lips. Need 底仓、下颌、家车 and 大靭. Scrap from the forehead to the tip of nose and both sides of the nose bridge. In the second treatment, scrap with even enforcement and even reduction manipulations. Find out the positive reaction areas on the right side of the forehead. Scrapping is unsmooth with a rough feeling. On the external corner of the eye and the tip of eyebrow, there is significant pain feeling. In general, pain sensation or nodules usually appear under or near the chloasma. Pain spots and lots of small nodules are found at the right sibai and chengqi. Scrap from yinxiang to xiaguan along the chin. In the patients with chin chloasma, obvious pain spots or nodules are noted near quanliao. Scraping the upper lip, there is also rough sensation. Scraping the lower lip and the stomach meridian in lower jaw region, there are small nodules. Pain spots are found in the holographic pain area of liver and gallbladder on the middle part of the nose bridge. Person's face with chloasma usually has pain spots in the area. Emphatically scrap and knead the areas with pain spots, nodules, and pigmented spots. Knead the pain area forehead. Scrap the knead tong liao point at the external corner of the eye. Find out the pain spots and nodules under the pigmented spots and emphatically scrap. Scrap the nodules in sibai and chengqi areas of lower eyelid. After scrapping, the nodules in the upper lip area are no longer significant. Scrap the lower jaw region. Knead yin tang, chengqi, sibai, quanliao, xiaguan, shenqu, taiyang, yinxiang, dicang, and chengjiang. Massage the face. Scrap the ear region. Scrap the middle region of forehead, region 3 lateral to forehead, the kidney area, and the region of vertex of forehead. The appearance of chloasma on both lateral sides of zygomatic bone probably is related to the asthenia of liver and kidney, deficiency of qi, and stasis of blood. So it should disperse the depressed liver, invigorate the spleen, and tonifying the kidney. Therefore, scrap ganshu and pishu on the back. Small nodule is found at ganshu. Few pigmented spots are found at pishu point. Scrap the corresponding vertebral area of kidney. First, scrap du mai. Mingmen is the stress point. Scrap the point area along both sides of the vertebra and the same level region of bladder meridian. Shenshu is the stress point. Scrap the abdominal region from qi hai to guanyuan, zhongshu to qi xue. Scrap the upper arm, neiguan, shenmen, and xuehai of lower leg. In order to abate the pain sensation, cupping can be applied on these points. Scrap zu san li, san yin jiao, and tai xi. Scrapping for beautifying the face can be conducted once a day. The facial skin will be moisturized and lustered and smoothen the wrinkles. Holographic Meridian cosmetic scrapping is developed from traditional Chinese medicine. Scrapping therapy has its advantages of both diagnosis and treatment without side effects and easy to manipulate. It is a new medical cosmetic method with good prospects.